Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to circle number in Excel. Since you are looking at the 1 to 10 range, it is often helpful to see the full sequence for 1 to 20 as the block continues consecutively. So you need to put the formula, put the equal sign, type unichar, open the bracket and type the code 9312 and close the bracket and hit enter. And here you can see that the circle number in Excel. And if you want to insert the two number, then what you have to do is put the equal sign, type unichar, open the bracket. Now this time type 9313 and close the bracket and hit enter. And to insert the 3, you need to press the F2 and just change the number to 9314 and hit enter. And similarly for 4, you need to change the character code to the 15, hit enter. And for 5, you need to change 16 and 7 and so on. You can up to change the number to the 20. So you just need to change the character code and eventually you will able to circle number in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.